Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy Bautista, so you guys are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So if you guys are interested in what's my May favorites throughout this whole month, then just keep on watching. Start off with, I would say, okay, this one, Pond's. This right here is a cold cream cleanser, and let me tell you guys, I love this thing. Just because it's super fast, easy, it removes your makeup just within a second, honestly. It melts off your skin makeup. I meant to say, it melts off your makeup off your skin like real quick. Like if you're tired and it's super late at nighttime and you want something fast and easy, I recommend this right here. It will not irritate your skin just because I have sensitive skin and it has not irritated my skin at all. And so I'll put this on throughout my whole skin. And then with face wipes, I'll just like remove it and it's gone. Like you don't have to be wiping it hard or scrubbing your face so hard, nothing like that. This will melt your makeup off your skin. So if you guys have not tried this, I really highly recommend to try this, just because honestly it works really good, and it's been throughout the whole year. This product is not new. It's been there for like the longest time ever. And I really bought it. I really tried it out. I've been trying, I probably bought this like the beginning of May, and I've been loving it. So as soon as I finish this, I'm gonna repurchase just because I love it. It's super easy to remove your makeup. So this is a cold cream cleanser. So next thing, let's do this right here. So this right here is the how do you say, Ula Henderson? I think that's how you say the Ula Henderson. And this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I'm obsessed with this eye cream. Honestly, I just love it. And look at the color, it's orange, so it's gonna brighten up your under eyes, and it smells really good. It smells like orange. Did I get something on my nose? Yeah. So if you guys have not tried this, honestly, it's a really good under the eye for your under your eyes cream, and it's really good. It leaves your skin really smooth, and I noticed that it takes away any, like, if you have really lines under your eyes, it takes away that. So when you put on makeup, anything, it looks really like nice, flat, like no lines, no wrinkles, no nothing. This is really good. I've been using this for a while now, and not a while, I would say like the beginning of the month, and I really love it. Because it's vitamin C and it's collagen boosters, so it's gonna help under your eyes with wrinkles, with anything, just overall. It brightens up your makeup, so it just makes your eyes look really nice with the makeup. And it's not greasy at all, so you could layer makeup on top of it. It's not greasy, nothing like that. So if you guys have not purchased this, I do recommend it. It's really good. So next thing right here, Cover Fix. So this Cover Fix, it's a blurring primer, and I am obsessed with this product. Honestly, I'm really obsessed. So I got this in my BoxyCharm, and ever since I got it, I've been using it. I've been using it a lot, and I like it just because if you guys have any pores or anything, this is gonna help your face look really smooth, really just overall really good when you're gonna apply your foundation. And I like this because I'm kind of like oily. My skin gets oily at times. So with this, like, I feel like my skin been really good with this primer. It controls your oil, like in your T-zone area, it controls it. And I like it too because it blurs out any pores you have, anything. Just makes your face look really smooth with your makeup, so I love it. And then I like it because it's like this. It looks like this. It's like a tan color, and it's really smooth, so I like it. And your makeup actually sticks on it, so I really like this. So this is a Cover Fix Blurring Primer, and this is good for like people who have oily skin. I do recommend it, like I said, because my skin does tend to get sometimes oily, and with this, it's been helping like just control it, you know. And it looks like this. So next product, well, okay, so this right here, it's my beauty blender. Well, it's not called a beauty blender. This is a Morphe beauty blender, and I'm obsessed with this. I usually use like the pink beauty blender, the actual beauty blender, and this right here, I love it just because it works as good as a beauty blender. This is from Morphe and it works really good, and this is only $10, so I'm saving myself $10 more, you know, because this is the beauty blender is actually 20 and this one's 10, so I'm saving myself $10. So I really love it, and it works as good as a beauty blender, so I do recommend it. And then I love this part just because you could like set under your eyes with the powder, with the setting, or you could contour your nose with it, which I love, or your highlight, apply your highlights. So this is really, really good because the beauty blender is just rounded, you know, so this is really helpful. So I've been obsessed with this sponge from Morphe. So if you guys are looking for a new sponge, I highly recommend this one right here. Honestly, it works the same as a beauty blender, just letting you guys know that. So next thing I have here, the Fenty Beauty, and this is a highlighter, and it looks like this. And this is Mean Money and Hustle Baby. I'm obsessed with this highlight, honestly. It's the Kilowatts highlight, and I'm really obsessed with it. It's what I have on right now. It's really, really like really shimmer. Like, look at this. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I just love it. It's like a really nice champagne color, like golden champagne, not too gold or not too like silver. It's just a perfect highlight, and I've been really, really obsessed with this highlight. So this is a Mean Money and Hustle Baby. Just obsessed with this highlighter. And it looks like this. So another highlight that I've been obsessed is the from MAC, and it looks like this. This is from MAC. And this is the Whisper of Guilt. I'm obsessed with this highlight, honestly. It's really good. It works really, really good. It's really pigmented. That's like the good thing. And it looks like this. And look at this. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see it through camera, but look at this. It's really nice. It doesn't leave your skin, like your highlight doesn't feel like chalky. You know how there's some highlights that feels like really chalky on your cheeks, and you can see like the texture of your skin and everything. No, this is really good, honestly. The Whisper of Guilt is a really popular highlight, so if you guys have not tried this, you guys should, because it's a really good highlight, and I feel like it goes with any skin tones. So this is Whisper of Guilt, and I'm obsessed with this highlight as well. It feels really smooth too. So here I have the translucent setting powder, and this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. Translucent powder, I meant setting powder. So I'm obsessed with this. This is my so I've been using this for I bought it, I would say the beginning, not the middle of the month. Yeah, like I would say like the second week of May. And ever since I bought it, I've been obsessed with it. I love it so much. And it smells really, really, really bomb. It smells like peaches. But the only thing that I don't like about this powder is like when you're setting your face with it, I don't know, I feel like if I'm like eating it too, like if the powder goes in my mouth and I could just taste the peach, you know, like I don't like that. I just don't like how I'm setting it, even though my mouth is closed. Like, I don't know, like I feel like a little bit goes inside my mouth. I don't know how to explain it, but it just feels like I'm eating the powder as well, and that's like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. So I really love this though. So if you guys are really oily, like in the oil, you know, oily, because this is a mattifying loose powder. This is really, it'll leave your skin really matte. And I'm really obsessed with this powder. So if you guys are looking for a new setting powder, this is actually a really good setting powder. And it's kind of like, it has like a pink undertone to it. Like the powder has like a pink undertone, but it doesn't leave your skin looking pink, nothing like that. It's just the color. So I really like this. It has no color to it, so it might look pink in the right here in the container, but it's not pink at all. So yeah, this works really good to set your face. It just leaves a perfect canvas for your blush, your bronzer, anything. It smooths out everything. So I recommend this loose setting powder mix. So here I have the Butter Bronzer, and I'm really obsessed with this. And this reminds me kind of like the Hoola by Benefits. It has like the same texture, the color, everything, just the way it applies. To me, it's like this is like a dupe for the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. And this is the Butter Bronzer, and it smells really good. It smells like coconut, like I don't know, it smells really bomb. And it applies on your cheeks really good. It doesn't leave it looking muddy, nothing like that. So if you guys are looking for a good drugstore bronzer, I do recommend this. This is similar to like the Hoola by Benefits. So it's a really good bronzer. And it also applies really smooth on your cheeks. So I really love this. I'm obsessed with this. So next thing I have the Brow Gal. And it looks like this. I love this. This came in my BoxyCharm, and since I got it, I've been obsessed. I know I've been saying that word obsessed, but honestly, I've been obsessed with the products that I'm showing you guys. Just saying the truth. So this is a brow gel. Well, I could say a gel, and it's like color to it, and it's from Tonya Crooks, and it looks like this. And it is a brown, like a kind of like a dark brown, not really, well, yeah, I would say just a brown color. And it's really small, which I love because you have more control of your eyebrows with it. And this is like a microfiber brow gel. It's a tint for your brows, and it has like with microfibers, so it gives it like a nice texture to your eyebrows. So I'm obsessed with this, and I love it so much. So if you guys could use it without even doing your brows. You could just put it naturally on top of your brows, and it'll have the effect of the illusion of like nice full brows, which I love. So this is really nice. It just gives it texture to your brows. It's just perfect. I love it. I don't know how to explain it, but I just love it. It looks like this. And this is just in the color Brown Hair 02. So here I have the Smashbox. It's a lipstick. It looks like this. And this is called Done Deal. And it's what I have on my lips. So I lip line, of course, with a darker brown, and this is a nude color, which, oops. Oh, you know, it sucks when, don't you hate it like when you don't put your lipsticks all the way down and then you close it and you get lipstick like on the cap? Yeah, that's what happened just right now. Look, well, it's just a little bit. Can you guys see? It was just a little bit, but it's fine. So yeah, this is a nice nude color. It's what I have on my lips, and I like it. It's a really nice creamy lipstick, and I feel like it lasts all day. I ate and everything, I still have my lipstick. So this is just a Smashbox lipstick, and it's Done Deal, the shade name. So I hope you guys enjoy my May favorite videos. Here are the products that I'm obsessed with throughout this whole month that I've just been trying and I've been loving at the moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys did. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel because we're almost at 1K, halfway there. So if you guys like what you guys are seeing, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys till next time. I love you guys. Bye. Funny how I thought I was in love.